The battle between Windows and Linux has been going on for decades. But as we move toward 2027, the competition is becoming more interesting than ever. For years, Windows has dominated the desktop computer market, while Linux has remained the favorite operating system for developers, system administrators, privacy enthusiasts, and power users. But the technology landscape is changing rapidly. Artificial intelligence, cloud computing, gaming, cybersecurity, hardware support, and user privacy are all becoming more important, and these changes could significantly reshape the Windows versus Linux debate in 2027. So if you are choosing an operating system in 2027, which one should you use? The answer depends on what you expect from your computer, because Windows and Linux are moving in very different directions. Windows continues to have one of the biggest advantages in the world of personal computing: familiarity. Millions of people already know how Windows works, and almost every computer manufacturer sells devices with Windows pre-installed. This means that for the average user, buying a laptop and starting to use Windows is still incredibly simple. Hardware manufacturers generally prioritize Windows when developing drivers and software utilities, so features such as fingerprint readers, specialized graphics controls, laptop power management, and professional applications often receive strong Windows support. In 2027, this ecosystem advantage will remain one of Microsoft's strongest weapons. Windows will continue to be the operating system that most people encounter first when purchasing a traditional PC. However, Windows is also changing in ways that not every user appreciates. Microsoft is increasingly integrating cloud services, artificial intelligence, online accounts, and connected features into the Windows experience. For some people, this creates a more modern and intelligent operating system. For others, it raises concerns about privacy, system complexity, data collection, and the amount of control users have over their own computers. The big question heading into 2027 is whether Microsoft can balance convenience with user control. If Windows becomes increasingly dependent on online services and AI-powered features, some users may start looking for alternatives that provide greater freedom. This is where Linux becomes extremely interesting. Unlike Windows, Linux is not one single operating system. It is a huge ecosystem of distributions, including Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Fedora, Debian, Arch Linux, OpenSUSE, Pop_OS, and many others. This diversity is both a major strength and a weakness. In 2027, Linux users will have more choices than ever before, allowing them to select an operating system that matches their needs. If you want something simple, there is Linux Mint. If you want cutting-edge software, Fedora or Arch-based distributions may be attractive. If stability is your priority, Debian remains a powerful option. This flexibility gives Linux an advantage that Windows simply cannot replicate. One of the biggest changes in the Linux world is the improvement in usability. Linux distributions have become much easier to install, configure, and maintain. Modern desktop environments, such as KDE Plasma and GNOME, provide polished experiences that can compete with the visual quality of Windows. Hardware detection has improved, software installation is easier, and application stores have become more user-friendly. For many people in 2027, installing Linux will no longer feel like a complicated project reserved for technical experts. The gap between Linux and Windows in everyday usability is likely to become smaller. Gaming is another area where the Windows versus Linux battle could become much closer. Windows has traditionally been the undisputed king of PC gaming because of its massive game library and DirectX support. But Linux gaming has changed dramatically thanks to technologies such as Proton, Wine, Vulkan, and Steam support for Linux-based systems. The success of devices like the Steam Deck has also demonstrated that Linux can provide a surprisingly strong gaming experience. By 2027, compatibility layers could become even more advanced, allowing more Windows games to run on Linux with minimal configuration. However, Windows will still have an important advantage for certain competitive multiplayer games, especially titles that rely heavily on anti-cheat systems that do not fully support Linux. Artificial intelligence could become one of the biggest differences between Windows and Linux. In 2027, Microsoft is investing heavily in AI-powered features and is positioning Windows as an intelligent platform that can assist users with productivity, search, creativity, and system management. New generations of AI-capable processors are also becoming more common, and Windows is likely to take advantage of these neural processing capabilities. Linux, however, has its own advantage in AI development. Developers, researchers, and technical users frequently rely on Linux because of its powerful command line tools, open source ecosystem, server dominance, and compatibility with major AI frameworks. In 2027, Windows may be better for consumers who want AI integrated into the desktop, while Linux may remain extremely attractive for people who want to build, customize, and control AI systems themselves. Privacy will also play a major role in the debate. Linux distributions generally provide users with more control over their systems and allow them to choose how much information is shared. Because the operating system is open source, its code can be inspected, modified, and audited by developers around the world. Windows, on the other hand, is a proprietary operating system, and Microsoft controls its development and distribution. This does not automatically mean Windows is unsafe, or that Linux is perfectly private, but users who value transparency and control may increasingly prefer Linux. As concerns about surveillance, data collection, and AI-driven personalization grow, Linux could benefit from its reputation as a more user-controlled platform. Software compatibility remains Windows' biggest advantage. Professional applications used in business, engineering, creative industries, and specialized workplaces are often designed primarily for Windows. Microsoft Office, Adobe Creative Cloud, enterprise software, and countless specialized applications continue to influence operating system choices. Linux has excellent alternatives, including LibreOffice, GIMP, Krita, Blender, and many other open-source applications, but alternatives do not always provide complete compatibility with industry-standard software. In 2027, Linux will need continued growth in professional application support if it wants to compete for a larger share of mainstream desktop users. Security is another fascinating comparison. Windows is targeted by more malware simply because it has such a massive user base. But Microsoft has invested heavily in built-in security technologies. Windows Defender, Secure Boot, hardware security, and continuous security updates provide strong protection for modern users. Linux benefits from its architecture, permission systems, rapid security patching, and smaller desktop market share, but security still depends heavily on proper configuration and user behavior. In 2027, both platforms will face increasingly sophisticated threats, especially from AI-assisted cyberattacks. The winner will not necessarily be the operating system with fewer vulnerabilities, but the platform that can respond to threats most effectively. When it comes to performance, Linux may have another advantage. Many Linux distributions can run comfortably on older hardware, while modern versions of Windows often have higher hardware requirements. For users with aging laptops or desktops, Linux can provide a new life for machines that might otherwise be considered obsolete. In a world where hardware prices remain important and electronic waste is a growing concern, this could become a significant reason for people to switch. Windows will likely remain the preferred option on new high-end PCs, but Linux could dominate among users looking to maximize the lifespan of existing hardware. So, what will Windows versus Linux look like in 2027? The most realistic answer is that neither operating system will completely defeat the other. Windows will likely remain the mainstream choice for consumers, businesses, gaming, and professional software. Linux will continue growing among developers, technical users, privacy-conscious people, older hardware owners, and gamers who value openness and customization. The real competition will not simply be about which operating system has more users. It will be about which platform gives people the freedom, security, performance, and features they actually want. For someone choosing an operating system in 2027, Windows may still be the easiest choice if you need maximum software compatibility, effortless hardware support, and access to the largest gaming ecosystem. But if you value privacy, customization, open-source software, system control, and the ability to shape your operating system around your own needs, Linux could be the better option. And the most exciting part is that you no longer have to think of the decision as permanent. Dual booting, virtual machines, cloud computing, and compatibility technologies make it easier than ever to use both platforms. Ultimately, the Windows versus Linux battle in 2027 may be less about one operating system destroying the other and more about users finally having meaningful choices. Windows is becoming smarter, more connected, and more deeply integrated with Microsoft's ecosystem, while Linux is becoming more polished, accessible, and powerful. The future of desktop computing may not belong exclusively to Windows or Linux. Instead, it may belong to the platform that respects what users value most. And if Linux continues improving its desktop experience, while Windows continues expanding its AI and cloud ecosystem, 2027 could be one of the most important years yet in the long-running battle between these two very different visions of personal computing.